Hi guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about the position, modules and the layouts. All these three are very important building blocks of any given opencart page. Layout is the name given to any page. So for the home page we have home layout. For the category page, when you click on the category, we have category layout, and the same way we have account layout for user account pages, and affiliate layout for the affiliates. When they log in, they can see the affiliate page. That page is called affiliate layout, and all these pages, informational pages, they are information layout. I show you how many layouts we have. If you take a look at the position, module, but before that I just tell you that each layout is made of the positions that we assign different modules to. Okay, so if you talk about the front page, we have if you talk about the front page of the default theme of opencart, we have content top and content bottom. In the action here, we are not using the real content area in the home page, but content top and content bottom positions are being used here. And I give you a brief introduction about the module. Module is a piece of you can say a block of content that displays some information, and we assign these modules to different positions for a given layout. Okay, say this slider is a module, latest box is a module, featured box is a module, this carousel is a module. And in order to make up the structure of home page, we are using these modules, and we have assigned them to different positions. From my experience, I'm saying that this slider has slider, latest box and featured, they all have been assigned to content top module of the home layout, and this carousel has been assigned to the content bottom module of the content bottom position of the home layout. I can even prove if you look at this modules at the bottom admin. I'm just gonna open up all these modules on different tabs so that we can easily learn the process. If you take a look at the slideshow module, you can see for the position we have selected content top, same with the featured position, content top, latest position, content top. Okay, so this is how we have assigned all these modules to content top position. Every layout, my dear friends, is divided into these three divided in four positions: column left, column right, content top, content bottom. All right, and then we have actual content that sits between content top and content bottom positions. For this home page, we are not using column left and column right, but we are using content top and content bottom, and we are not having actual content appearing up on the front page as well. So we can skip about it, but we will be learning about it in our next layout, which will be the category layout. Okay, so this is how you can assign different modules to different positions, guys. And we can also control the order in which a module appears for a given position. As you all know that we have slider, latest box and featured box assigned to content top position of home layout. Say if you want to change the order in which they all are appearing, say you want slider to sit in middle of the latest and featured box, we can easily do it with the help of sort order. Every module has these options: layout, position, status and sort order. See, sort order determines the order in which they appear for a given position, because slideshow is assigned to content top position, so is featured box, so is latest box. And because now we want slider to appear in the middle, what we are going to do is we will just change the sort order. Slideshow, because we will use sort order 2 so that it sits in the middle, sort order of featured is 1, sorry 3, and sort order of latest box should be 1. And when you hit refresh, and you will see they have been changed. Alright guys, now I will move on to the next layout, which is category layouts. I'm just giving you this demo so as to make sure you all learn it very well. So guys, here we are taking we are seeing actual content which we were missing on the front page. This area over here is actual content area, and this is column left. Okay, just like we have column left on this layout, some of the layouts will have column right appearing on this side. Okay, so say for the demonstration I'll be using 3 modules. I'll add 1 module to each position. I'll add 1 module to the column left, 1 to the column 1 to the content top, which is here, and 1 to the content bottom, which is here. So guys, now you understand the structure of a layout. Content top on the real above the real content, then the content, and then the content bottom, and then we have column left, and on some layouts we will also have column right, which will appear on this side, just like this. Okay, so for the demonstration I'm just gonna add 3 modules, 1 to each positions on this layout. First of all, I'm gonna add banner module to the left column side, left column position. One thing I want to tell you about modules is that they all are multi-instances, so you can create multiple instances of a module. You can assign one instance to the home layout and another instance to the category layout. So if we take a look at the banner module, which is here, see, we already have one instance created, but we will create one instance created for the category page, which is, if you take a look, which is here. This is also a banner. For the demonstration I'm gonna create new instance. To create new instance, just hit add module. I will be using a new banner, a different banner for it. I just use manufacturer, then give it the dimensions. Dimension is very important and must match to the image size of the banner. Okay, otherwise image will not look nice. I'll choose category layout, column left position enabled, and then hit save, and then you come to the front page and see this is the topmost, because we haven't given any sort order to the module. And if you want to change it, if you want it to appear up on the bottom of the column left, just give it a big value. Okay, any biggest value, save it, and see, we have got the banner appearing up at the bottom. Now we will be adding a featured module to the content top position here. Okay, I'm just telling you guys because I want you to understand it very well, the concept of layout positions that actually builds up the structure of any given page. So guys, I'm just going to create a new instance of it, category content top enabled, because this is the only one module in this position, so I'm not going to worry about the sort order. I've just assigned it. When you refresh, see the front page, the featured box appearing up at the content bottom position. Now I'm gonna add a module to the content bottom as well, so I'll be using latest box for it. For the layout, choose category, content bottom, and sort order. Just don't worry about it because we have only one appearing upon this. See, we have got the latest, then on the topmost, which is the content top position, we have featured box, and then the actual content area, then the content bottom position. So guys, now I'm sure you must be clear about the layouts, positions, and modules, and now you know how to change the order of the modules for a given position, and how to assign different modules to different positions. So guys, keep trying, keep working on it so that you have good grasp on it, and I'll be creating new videos for you. My next video will be about shipping, geo zones, and taxing rules. So guys, take care till then.